You don't eat pizza because it has a lot of calories. Yay, you are now at the right place to learn how to make your own broccoli pizza with low carbs and very, very healthy and tasty as well. Look at how it looks. It looks really delicious and it's something you should try at home. So if you are new here, please subscribe, and to my all returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We are making this wonderful broccoli low carb pizza, and it's really healthy and delicious, especially for someone that is going you want maybe to reduce your calories intake. You can always make this at home and enjoy it. You guys, first of all, I'm going to be cutting off the broccoli from the stems, and I make sure that I cut it off very well. And after which, we are going to be washing this and make sure it's very clean before we go ahead to blend everything, you guys. So I actually use like 500 grams of broccoli for this recipe, because when I made this, I ate this for like 2 days, you guys. So you can actually use this recipe for weight loss as well. It is very good and it's tasty and it's delicious, and it makes you to be very, very full, like when you eat a piece of it, you feel like you've eaten so much. So it is good to follow for weight loss as well. Yeah, so I'm done blending it, and this is me just stirring everything together to make sure I have a consistency. So I'm going to be cracking 5 eggs, after which I added some black and white pepper, some garlic powder, no spice, some salt and some chili. Add any spice of your preference if you want. We always like to add some special spices that we always prefer in our food. So yeah, we're going to be using olive oil. So in a hot pan, I put some olive oil, make sure it's well distributed in the pan. Then I added the broccoli mixed with eggs, and just make sure the pan was well full and it has the same level. So I added, in this case, I use a tomato paste, but you can use ketchup, or you can also use any sauce of your choice that you prefer for this recipe. You don't have to use a particular thing, but here I prefer to use tomato paste. So yeah, then I'm adding some cheese. Yeah, after adding the cheese, then you add some tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. You guys, you see the way I cut it. So I didn't want to waste your time a lot showing you how I cut this, but yeah, exactly like that. You should do it like that, and you will love the way it turned out. Cover and let it cook for 10 minutes, and your recipe is ready. If you're new here, please subscribe. To my all returning subscriber, thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know if you try it at home, and tell me how it turned out, you guys, because I actually enjoyed this recipe. So bye for now.